In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on your avatar automatically when joining a Zoom meeting. This feature can be a handy way to maintain your presence in meetings without having to worry about being on camera live at all times. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set it up so that your avatar appears every time you join a Zoom meeting seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Zoom application on your desktop or laptop. Once you've got the Zoom window open, look toward the bottom left corner where you typically see the video controls. You'll notice a small arrow just next to the video icon. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This is your step into accessing more of the Zoom video settings that are available to you. Now, after clicking on that arrow, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for an option that says Video and Effects Settings and give it a click. This will bring up a new window that offers a range of choices for customizing your video display and effects. Here, you'll have the opportunity to make adjustments not just for the current meeting, but also to establish default settings for all your Zoom sessions. So, the next thing you'll want to do in the Video and Effects Settings window is to click on the tab labeled Avatars. If you're unfamiliar, avatars in Zoom are creative representations of yourself that reflect your real-time reactions and movements while maintaining a layer of personal privacy. It's a highly customizable feature, letting you choose among various avatars that can represent you in meetings when you don't wish to be on camera. Once you've clicked the Avatar tab, you may need a moment to browse and select the avatar that suits you the best. Digging deeper, you will notice several engaging options. Feel free to move through these and select the one that resonates with your personality. This selection is not permanent and can be changed anytime you decide to switch things up. Now, here's where the magic happens to automate the process. To the bottom of this area, you'll see a toggle option labeled Turn on Avatar when I join a meeting. What you'll want to do is switch this toggle on. This setting ensures that your avatar will automatically be enabled whenever you enter a Zoom meeting. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you've set your Zoom application to automatically use your chosen avatar whenever you join a meeting. It's a simple set and forget solution that allows you to focus more on your meeting content rather than technical setup each time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this feature adds a touch of ease and fun to your Zoom